శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 114th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతం 104th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, when Satyavati told Bhishma that she want to call Vyasa and ask him to get children through Vichitravirya's wives, then Bhishma gave his consent. Also saying that, Bhishma saying that, O Mata, O my dear mother, those who thinks about dharmam, ardham, kamam and makes a decision by which no any adverse results are coming out, such person is great person and smart person. So whatever that you said, it is just according to righteousness, and this will bring great favor to our dynasty, and this is very good for the people. I like the way that you said. When Bhishma gave his consent, Satyavati immediately thought about, meditated upon Krishnadvaipayana. Then that Krishnadvaipayana, Vyasa, immediately understood that Satyavati, his mother, is thinking about him. Savedan vibruvan dhiman matur vijnaya chintitam. Immediately, while chanting Vedas, Vedavyasa Maharshi appeared right in front of Satyavati. Then Satyavati hugged Vedavyasa Maharshi and she moved to tears. Then Vyasa sprinkled his Kamandala Jalam upon Satyavati and did namaskaram to her. Also saying that, O my dear mother, tell me what you want. I am here. I came here to fulfill your wish. You order me now how I can please you. Like that, when Vyasa said to Satyavati, Satyavati had some of the Purohitas did all respectful pujas to Vyasa. Then Vyasa sat in a beautiful Simhasanam, and Satyavati inquired welfare about Vyasa, and now saying that, O Vyasa, usually children, for them the father and mother, they are the masters, and you are my eldest son. Vichitravirya is youngest son, and through father Bhishma is brother to Vichitravirya, and through mother he is brother to you also. So Vyasa, this Bhishma is now ruling one his pratigna, his promise. He doesn't want to come out. The promise is he doesn't want to rule the kingdom. He doesn't want to get the children. That is the promise of Bhishma. Now, in order to take care of, preserve, protect our dynasty, and in order to bring favor to this entire kingdom, to all the people, according to Bhishma's opinion, according to my orders, you have to do what I am going to tell you. You have to have compassion upon all living beings. For that, you need to do what I am going to tell you. O Vyasa, your youngest brothers, Vichitravirya's wives, they are like Devakantas. They are seeking children in a righteous way. So you need to get children through them. That protects our dynasty and that protects our kingdom. You are only the one who is most deserved person to bring out the right children in a righteous way through Vichitravirya's wives. Like that Satyavati saying to Vyasa. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us dedicate ourselves. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why now let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Shriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.